25 genius WD-40 car hacks you didn't know you needed. Hey everyone. Welcome back to my wheels. If you're like most car owners, you probably have a can of WD-40 somewhere in your garage. But did you know this versatile product isn't just for squeaky hinges and rust prevention? Originally developed as a rust prevention solvent, WD-40 has evolved into a must-have for car enthusiasts due to its countless automotive applications. Today, I'm sharing 25 genius WD-40 car hacks that will make car maintenance a breeze. Let's get started. 1. Sticker remover. Struggling with stubborn stickers or decals on your car? Whether it's a bumper sticker that's overstayed its welcome or dealership decals that refuse to budge, WD-40 is your answer. Spray it directly on the sticker, let it sit for a few minutes, and the adhesive will break down, making it easy to peel off without damaging your car's paint. 2. Bug splatter solution. Bug guts on your hood or windshield. Those splatters are not just unsightly but can also damage your paint if left too long. WD-40 works wonders here. Spray it on the bug residue, let it soak for a bit, and use a microfiber cloth to wipe away the mess. Your car will look clean and shiny again. 3. Tar remover. Driving on freshly paved roads often leaves stubborn tar spots on your car. Don't worry. WD-40 can break down the sticky mess without harming your car's finish. Just spray it on the tar, give it a minute to penetrate, and then wipe it away. 4. Lubricate locks. Having trouble with sticky or jammed locks, especially after a frosty night? A quick squirt of WD-40 into the keyhole not only frees them up but also helps protect against future rust. It's a quick, inexpensive fix that keeps your locks working smoothly. 5. De-ice door locks. Winter can be brutal on car locks. If your locks freeze, WD-40 can save the day. Spray directly into the lock to melt the ice, and you'll be back on the road in no time. Plus, a quick spritz before a cold night can help prevent freezing altogether. 6. Frost prevention. Hate scraping frost off your windows in the morning? Spray WD-40 on your windows the night before, and you'll wake up to clear glass. It works as a barrier that keeps ice from forming, saving you time and effort. 7. Water repellent for mirrors. Rain can make your side mirrors hard to see through, which is both annoying and unsafe. Apply a light coat of WD-40 to your mirrors to repel water, allowing raindrops to slide right off. It's an easy trick for better visibility. 8. Rubber seal maintenance. Rubber door seals can dry out, crack, or even freeze to the door in winter. Applying WD-40 keeps them flexible and prevents sticking. Simply spray a little on a cloth and wipe down the seals. Your doors will open easily, even on the coldest mornings. 9. Clean license plates. Dirty, rusty license plates can make your car look neglected. Spray WD-40 on your plate, let it sit for a few seconds, and wipe it down to remove dirt, grime, and surface rust. It keeps your plate looking fresh and readable. 10. Rust prevention on chrome parts. Chrome parts on your car are prone to rust, especially in areas exposed to road salt. Spraying a thin layer of WD-40 on chrome bumpers, exhaust tips, and emblems forms a protective barrier that keeps rust at bay. 11. Stop squeaky belts. If you've got an annoying squeak coming from your engine belts, WD-40 can temporarily silence them. Lightly spray the belt while the engine is off, then run it for a minute to distribute the lubricant. It's a quick fix until you can replace the belt. 12. Remove oil stains. Oil spills on your driveway are unsightly and tough to clean. WD-40 can break down the oil, making it easier to scrub off. Spray directly on the stain, let it sit for a few minutes, and then use a brush and soapy water to lift the mark. 13. Refresh wiper blades. Wiper blades tend to wear out quickly, especially in harsh weather. To extend their life, clean them with WD-40. Spray a little on a cloth and wipe the blades. It helps remove dirt buildup and restores their flexibility for better performance. 14. Shine your wheel rims. Brake dust and grime can dull your rims fast. Spray WD-40 onto the rims, wait a few seconds, and wipe with a soft cloth. It helps break down tough residue and leaves a shiny, clean finish. 15. Lubricate hinges, car doors and hoods can develop a squeak over time. A small squirt of WD-40 on the hinge will instantly silence it. Open and close the door a few times to work the lubricant in, and you're good to go. 16. Battery terminal cleaner. Battery corrosion can lead to starting problems. Disconnect your battery, spray WD-40 on the terminals, and scrub with a wire brush. It breaks down corrosion and forms a protective layer to prevent future buildup. 17. Prevent mud buildup. If you're hitting muddy trails, spray WD-40 on the car's underside, especially around wheel wells. It makes mud removal much easier when you wash your car later. 18. Revive faded plastic. Dull plastic trims can make your car look older than it is. Spritz WD-40 on faded plastic parts and wipe off with a microfiber cloth to restore a richer, darker color. 19. Unstick seatbelts. When your seatbelt doesn't retract smoothly, WD-40 can help. Spray a little on the belt retractor mechanism, and it will glide back in place effortlessly. 20. Gum remover. Gum stuck to your car seat or carpet. Spray WD-40 on it, wait a minute, and gently scrape off. It loosens the gum without damaging fabric. 21. Maintain rubber bushings. To reduce wear and noise, spray WD-40 on your car's suspension bushings. It helps keep them soft and flexible, improving ride quality. 22. Spark plug water displacer. Wet spark plugs can cause starting issues. WD-40 displaces the moisture, allowing your engine to fire up even after a heavy downpour. 23. Duct tape residue remover. Left with sticky residue from duct tape? WD-40 dissolves the adhesive, making it easy to wipe off without damaging surfaces. 24. Snow buildup prevention. Spray a little WD-40 on your tire treads to prevent snow buildup. Just be careful not to overapply, as it may reduce traction. 25. Antenna lubrication. If your retractable antenna is getting stuck, a small amount of WD-40 can help it move freely again. Final thoughts. Who knew WD-40 could be such a game changer for car maintenance? These 25 hacks not only save you time and effort but also keep your car looking and running better for longer. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more car care tips from my wheels. Which hack are you excited to try first? Let me know in the comments.